Again, thank you so much for being here with us until now. And this is, I would say, this is the, the highlight of today, and also with BUIDL Vietnam, because this is the first time we are launching the APAC Web3 Builders Hackathon. And during the past, let's say 1 month, and also 1 week of hacking, we've got over 300 hackers coming from all across the globe to join this hackathon with 60,000 US dollars bounty pool. And special thanks to all of our partners and our sponsors, including Meetup Protocol, Renec Foundation, and Gnosis Chain for making this possible. And also special thanks to all of our judges who have made the time, and who have made themselves available for the jury and be here with us today. Thank you so much for that. And especially, of course, thank you so much for being here as well to, to celebrate the winnings of the teams today. So we would like, before we start all of the announcements, we would like to invite Aniket, community lead from Devfolio, our very dear friend, and also our hackathon partner, to come forward and share a few things about Devfolio. Thank you.
Right, cool. Till the slides come in, just quickly introducing myself. I'm Aniket, and I lead the community team at Devfolio. And I'm pretty sure those who participated at the hackathon definitely used Devfolio to make the project submission. I'll not take more than 5 minutes, as I know everyone's excited to see the winners of the hackathon. So I just wanted to quickly talk about Devfolio, how we are helping with the hackathon ecosystem, and eventually even the bigger builder ecosystem, which we are doing. So yeah, quickly talking about Devfolio, we are India's largest and fastest growing community of builders. We have over 400,000 users, or as we call them, builders. And in case anyone was wondering, we call our users builders because it takes a team and a mix of developers, designers, and product freaks to build something super cool. So yeah, and we have distributed about $3 million in bounties to date through our various initiatives, including hackathons, fellowship. We also run ETH India grants program, so on and so forth. We do have a lot of initiatives running in parallel. And quickly talking about some of our recognizable work. Next slide, please. Yeah, so we have built the hackathon platform end to end, and we also help out other communities host their hackathon. And we are also ourselves the hosts of ETH India, which we did last year. Actually, it ended up being the world's biggest Ethereum hackathon with over 2,000 builders across, I think, 67 countries who had come to India last year on December 2nd. And yeah, we had 2,000 builders, 460 projects. And this was a grand success, and we have invited a lot more builders. And this year, we have been supporting other hackathons as well. We did ETH Seoul, ETH Prague. We are going to go to ETH Barcelona as well. And yeah, of course, we are here happy to help with BUIDL Vietnam Hackathon as well. Next slide. Thanks. The previous year, the one after. All right, so we also extend our support to student-run hackathons, especially if you're a student and you want, everyone here is seeing the kind of energy hackathons have. It's great to build, get together builders and do great events, and it really helps with the fostering of the community. So as part of our support, we help you host these student-run hackathons. So as you might have used Devfolio today, you get to use the platform as organizers as well. And we have an end-to-end tool built. Everything from applications, project submission, inbuilt judging feature as well, which was used, as a matter of fact, it was used today as well. We give you mentorship and support since we have been in the hackathon game for the past 8 years. Even before building Devfolio, we were organizers at our universities as well. So that is how we have taken the legacy ahead. We also ship swag directly to the hacker doorsteps. Currently, it's only within India, but we are also planning to expand globally. You also get more applications through Devfolio's Explore and Reach, priority support during the event within 24 hours in case there's any help you need. We also help you do the hackathon, like how we have traveled here to do it. And you onboard Devfolio, you automatically get sponsors like Polygon, Solana, Filecoin, and Replit as sponsors with prizes worth 1,500 USD at your hackathon. So yeah, I'd just like to quickly take another minute to wrap things up. Next slide. Yeah, so, and this is our motto. We say never stop building to everyone. And yeah, do follow us on Twitter. And I am Aniket again. This is my Twitter/Telegram handle. If you want to reach out to me, you want to do hackathons, you want to explore the community, even we can come to your university if you're students to help you host hackathons. This is my contact. Feel free to DM me on Telegram or Twitter. And yeah, with that, I'd like to say never stop building and let's get cracking. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Aniket. And thank you, Devfolio team, for being here with us throughout the hackathon. So now we are coming to the most anticipated part of the awarding ceremony. So as I have mentioned, so we have top 4 teams of the hackathon. That would be SafeBank, Maverick, Akana, and Auto Music NFT streaming app. So I would like to call for a round of applause for all of the top 4 team and also all of our 300 hackers for participating in hackathon this year. Thank you so much for being part of this hackathon. May I ask if there's anyone from these top 3 in the house? So we have SafeBank. All right. Do you guys want to do any presentation? All right. Okay. That's not actually a question, but please come forward. So we're going to show your video here on the stage. If you have any slides or any presentation, then let me know. You want to show the video or? Okay. So we're gonna have a quick check at some of their. So this is SafeBank's application on Devfolio. So we are now looking at their demo, just to see how it works. And then after this video, we're gonna have some live pitch from the team. And then if the judges, if you have any questions, feel free to throw any tricky question to SafeBank. I hope you can handle it.
So SafeBank is offering Web2 users a regular online banking experience where they can get a free IBAN and send funds directly from their regular bank account to their SafeBank. And that then we're using Monerium in the background so that they're minting Ore tokens, which is e-money regulated in Europe. Every big fintech company uses that type of money. And the user can use that money to send transactions to any other bank domestically or cross-border.
This is our hack for BUIDL Vietnam. Our team is SafeBank, and it's a mobile banking app where users can easily onboard fiat to crypto. So the first steps the user has to do is verify their identity by doing regular KYC that any other banking or payments app has to do. So here the user just enters all legal information required, takes pictures of the identification documents, and once the user is finished, the third-party KYC provider will let us know, and we will use the data to mint ZK proofs on the Meetup blockchain. The next step is for the user to connect their account to Monerium. At this point in the backend, the app creates a multi-sig wallet with 1 out of 1 keys on Gnosis chain using the Safe kit. So when the user connects that wallet to Monerium, they actually get an IBAN number. And with that IBAN number, the user can send money, fiat currency, immediately from their bank account to this new IBAN number. And that means Monerium in the backend will mint Ore tokens, which are e-money stablecoins regulated in Iceland, for the user. What this means is that the user can top up their balance and have a regular fintech Web2 banking experience, send money to regular banking accounts, crypto wallets, or card recipients with the experience they're used to with regular banking. And the way we'll monetize this is by viewing subscriptions, giving them rewards or benefits and whatnot. What's cool about verifying the identity via ZK is that merchants in the future could be requesting information about the user, and the user could share that in a very private way without having to reveal the information. And what's also great about that is that the merchants they don't have to worry about storing all of that sensitive data. This is our hack. This was our Figma, and I'll show you the localhost deployment. And I think that's it. Thanks for watching.
Is that everything? Do you want to say anything else to the audience? Okay. Is there any question from the jury? Anything that you want to clarify?
Can you name some of the challenges? Because it was a 1 week of time period, and this is an incredible work. So we would love to hear your experience while you were working, which, like as a developer, what was your experience with different applications that you use, and what were the blockers where you were running into?
So I'm not a developer myself, but I was working with 3 devs in the team. The biggest problem I see right now is that when you do regular KYC, when you then connect to Monerium, you need to do KYC again, officially, because we're using the sandbox environment. You didn't have to do KYC again here in the example, but that's a not good user experience for an end user because they're not used to doing KYC twice, so that would need to be fixed. From a other technical perspective is that we were using Monerium's sandbox environment, but Gnosis Chain safe deployment was only on mainnet. We didn't know if we could connect mainnet with sandbox, and there was no way to deploy on testnet, or there was no documentation. So that was a bit of a hurdle. And getting everything to work together a bit was a challenge. But yeah.
It's always the last 10%, you know. You got the 90% done, like connecting the dot, definitely it does. But seriously, great work, guys. Great work.
Sorry, I have a follow-up question to that. Given that you mentioned you were not the developer, what was your role in this?
I came up with the idea and the whole concept of it. Yeah, but he was helping develop everything as well.
Awesome, awesome, great. Lovely work.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, SafeBank. So now we are moving on to the next team in the top 4. So we have Maverick. Is there anyone from Maverick here today? Okay. We're going to quickly show the video of their applications on Devfolio.
We are Maverick, a Web3 personalized live streaming game education and tournament platform. Our vision is to create an immersive, impartial, and inclusive ecosystem for Web3 gamers worldwide. Currently, Web3 games face massive friction when onboarding Web2 gamers as they're not interested in learning and executing about the Web3 technology. Gamers churn the moment they see or hear about Web3 games. We believe the traditional methods that Web2 games use to engage gamers should be allowed and available in Web3 games, very specifically linking up with tournaments and live streaming. Let me walk you through what Maverick can do today. On Maverick, you'll be able to create your own NFT, which is the base to be able to create a gated experience for your particular event. Let's try it out here, right? Let's upload an image. Let's use CryptoPunks, right? Let's probably CryptoPunks gaming. And I'm going to copy the same text here. I'm going to have max supply of 1,000. I'm going to put the price at 0 for now. I'm going to click upload, which uploads the image directly to the platform. And by clicking create, we're going to be able to create this NFT right now. Sorry. So you get a MetaMask prompt, you click, the gas fees right now is really, really low, 0.008 Matic. We have deployed it in the Polygon test network. I hit confirm. And your NFT is created successfully. Well done. So now you can go on to create a very specific event based on the NFT you've created, so you can gain those experience. Over here, let's say you are XE Infinity, and then you're going to create a XE Infinity walkthrough. You can put XE Infinity walkthrough event date. So you can put this somewhere like next week. Event description and the contract address. For the purpose of this demo, I am going to use a contract address that we already have. I'm going to click create event, and this is again be confirmed on the Polygon test network, and you'll get a confirmation once the event has been created. Right? Ta-da! And the event is created. Right? Once the event has been created, you'll be able to see the upcoming events created by creators and games. We believe these tutorials and walkthroughs will allow Web2 gamers to understand the gaming experience of Web3 and allow them to further get engaged or even participate in these Web3 games that are coming up. Click attend event, for example, for the Web2 guide, we have linked it up to Huddle, where you get a screen popping up. Right? You could join the meeting. You could just connect it to your MetaMask. Mine's already connected over here, and then you can just join directly to your meeting. Right. I'm going to go back to the explore the event. Right. So I'm going to share with you a bit of the tournament bracket we've also created. We've not fully completed the tournament bracket due to the time constraint. But let's say if you're going to create a tournament for XP, let's call it XP2. Tournament type, number of rounds, payment to players, 100, for example, 100 Matic, 10 participants, game name, XP, number of teams, 4. You could enter your team details, player name, the player score, and submit it. Every round, you get to update the tables, the brackets, that allows you to keep track of who are winning in a specific game. You get to go to semis, finals, and finally, when the winner has been selected, you get to allocate out the crypto rewards automated directly on Maverick's platform. Congratulations, Rohit, you're the winner. That's all I have for you today. We are Maverick, and let's hope you can onboard the next.
Okay, thank you so much, Maverick team. I think definitely everyone also can feel related to this product because we all maybe have been part of this tournament and this journey. But I think what's definitely much more admirable is that all of this work is done within 1 week of the hackathon. And a lot of the hackers here, they definitely are not like, like veterans. They are like starting with Web3. So we do appreciate these new like comers and also like these enthusiasts who are actually putting together the efforts within 1 week with these products. And Maverick is one of them. And ongoing to the next project, we would like to show you what Akana team has made within the past 1 week. If Akana team is here today, please come forward so we can, of course, like see you here in person. And if you can share something with the audience, or else we can also like show the video of what they have done on that folio for you.
Hello everyone, Ricky here, and I'm here to present Arcana, where we are rewriting reward in digital age. Without further ado, let's jump into the apps by logging in with our email address. So Arcana uses meta transactions and F1 abstractions on top of the protocol. So we can actually use email as a way to log in and authenticate our users. So use OTP on email. Let me just type it up real quick here. So what happens is that on the front end side, they generate a new key private key and a public key, where the public key is actually sent to the back end, and then us, the layer, we created a new account for these new users, and then the private key is actually stays inside the front end. And then, right, we are logged in. Let's take a look at the Explorer. What happens is that there's this new account that are being created on your protocol by HCMC. Right. So what can we do next? What we can do is that we can actually join some membership here. So we have never gonna give you up memberships, and then you can just get it for free. You can claim it for free. It is actually minting an NFT on behalf of the users. It uses meta transactions, and like because the private key is on the front end side, like all the actions got got signed up on the front end and sent to the back end, and then you can just relay it to the blockchain. Once I have memberships, it will generate a lot of like points, and points can be used to like play spin wheels and also join some raffles. For example, let's do quick spin, where it is a free one. The first one is free. I can just click a free spin wheel, and it's actually an on-chain games because we use a verifiable random function natively built on their protocol to give random number generation for everything on Arcana. So all the things here is not cannot be rigged, cannot be fixed, because people can prove whether this random number is true or not. That's the beauty of blockchain and that's the beauty of Neo, right? So alright, so I just play a spin wheel, so let's claim some points. Claiming the point, it might take several times because it is a cross-contract call between the NFT contracts and also the main contract. They store all the users' points. So yeah, it generated points every single second. Every membership will have their own set of points, set of rules. But then, yeah, there we go. We have claimed all our membership points. If we look at the Explorer page, what happens is that there are a lot of things that have been done on chain, like play spin wheel, claim points, and everything is 100% on chain through our relay without the users knowing what happened on the backend side, without knowing that we are on chain. And then what we can do next is we can join some raffles, buy some tickets, and this ticket is it's 100% on chain also through our smart contracts, and later on the winner can be chosen directly by the admin through smart contracts, and it is also a verifiable regular function so that all the participants can prove whether this set of raffles is true or not. And let's take a look at the Explorer page. What happens is that everything is on chain, and let's take a look at some code. We have here get random number, which is 100% natively built on your protocol, and everything that we have done here is 100% on chain. So yeah, that's Arcana. We hope that we can onboard as many people as possible into Web3 through Arcana, by partnering with banks, with communities to provide an on-chain games, to provide an on-chain membership for their communities. So mainstream adoption is way to go for the Arcana. Like we truly believe that we can onboard the next million users in the next, in the next month or so. So yeah, thanks so much. Really hope that you guys like Arcana and can test it out through dev.arcana.gg. Everything is still on testnet, but hoping that we can migrate it to the mainnet as soon as possible. Thank you.
Okay, so again, this is what the team has come up with within 1 week. And they have come up with this, I think, very unique on-chain membership, and also make it very visual of how you can get on board with loyalty and membership with Web3. And after this one, we're going to have one team who's going to be present here today in person. And this team, I think they have just started to get to know blockchain maybe in a month or something. So this is actually coming from the university that has been helping us with this event. So Hongbang International University. So just please meet the NFT streaming app who has been totally new to blockchain within the last 1 month. So hopefully you can also show everyone what you have come up with in the past 1 month. Also because of course we are here today. So hope you can show us what you have come up with as NFT streaming app. So this is a students team who just started with blockchain, very new to Web3. And now they're going to present what they have come up with in the past 1 week. Okay, over to you.
Okay, good afternoon to everyone. So here's our team, and as our Nico says that we just start coming to know blockchains a month ago, and this week we start our job while we are studying as well, such as schools, and this is our app and what we have done here. Our app is called Music NFT Streaming App. How is special? We live in our life without music, cannot live, no? It's impossible. So here, our team members, we call our team Big But Bob. And we have Pham Tuan Phu is our dev, Yu Minh Tuan is another dev, Lê Dương Khai is our designer, myself is a presenter, Lê Danh Thướng, and Nguyen Trân Phước Lâu is our supporter. Why we choose to do this app? There are some facts we want to focus on. that the musicians and composers lots of ownership rights to their works, receive minimal compensation, and face intricate pricing structures, negotiations of challenging. Second one is the music's production and distribution process is complex, costly, and controlled by labels and distributors, limiting musician independence and earnings. The third one is accessing partners and the public. It a significant handles, especially for the newcomers. Like us also, we are newcomer to Web3, and they are newcomer to their industry in music hub. That and hindering their success of and explores. We come to create the app to do creating a website allow users to trade music in the form of NFTs and provides online streaming of own music, and it's called Music NFT Streaming App. Here are the special things that we come up with when we do use skate diagram. The composers, they can load music sheets and audios. Besides that, they can also use to buy it for checking up their product. And of course, they can listen to the music as they want. And the customer, they buy the product. And when they own the product, they are the one who can listen to the music, but they own it. And they have the all right for that product that they have been, the product have been sold to them. They have the all right on that. And of course, we have a special here in this case that when the customer, they pay to us, 70% will go to the composers, 20% we do the donate to the donator to do charity, and 10% for us to develop the app. Our technology used during this 1 week, we're trying, and what we use, Next.js, Tailwind CSS, Heart, Sepolia Testnet, with me, Web3 model, and MetaMask. Here's a demo. And for your future developments, we are going to create a better streaming music app to be integrated into this web. Second, our web will be integrated with basic music copyright for the further future to develop on this app. And we would like to say thank you to all of you, especially to our teachers and also to our mentors and also all the audience for listening. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Any question?
The judges. Okay. Sanjay, you have any question?
Hey, again, really great work on the UX. I love it. What were the challenges on the Web3 side? You guys learned it in 1 month. So 2 questions. One, how did you learn it? And how was your experience with it?
fourth here. This is the first time we approach and also we learn how to work with Web3 and also joining blockchains in development. And here our devs, we are fighting yesterday until yesterday morning. We're still trying to connect the three things together and even connect with their wallet. That was our struggling as well. We find out at the end of the morning and we could do it well. And that is my experience. And so how about our partners? Do you have any other experience? Also, we learn how to use different create webmes or MetaMask or doing while we're coding, we're learning how to use it as well. It's also a new experience for us, especially for our devs. They also newcomers and learning for that. I think and I believe that they was working very hard for this job, and they get this one. Thank you very much.
Awesome. Really, really great work, and compliments to all of you. Again, in 1 month or 1 week, this is a great product. Great product.
Yeah.
Compliments.
Thank you.
Yeah, maybe just after the awarding. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, we are coming very close to the awarding ceremony, and to kickstart with, we would like to announce the winners of the bounty tracks first. Again, thank you so much to all of our sponsors, especially Breenek Foundation, Gnosis Chain, and Meetup Protocol for sponsoring the bounties for the hackathon. So we would like to announce the result first for these 3 bounty tracks, starting with Meetup Protocol with the ZK app. Can I have Angus here somewhere? Yeah. Yeah. Do you want to make the announcement for the teams? I mean, we have slides as well.
Can I use this microphone? Yeah, of course. Hello, everyone. Okay, go and stand over here. I'm going to announce the prize for the Mina bounty track. I don't know when it's going to appear, so I'm ready though. Next. Do I announce them and then you're going to put it up, or do we put it up and then Okay, so it's here. Our grand prize has been awarded to Self-Help, and second place prize goes to Safe Bank.
Congratulations, Safe Bank and Still Health. If you're here, please proceed to the stage. Once again, congratulations, Safe Bank. Thank you so much.
Okay, coming up to the next bounty. Thank you so much, Angus. You are the greatest prize. Okay, thank you. Coming out to the next bounty, we would like to invite Hugh from Gnosis Chain to come forward and announce the results of your bounty.
So hi everyone, and I'm Hugh from Gnosis Chain. So today I will announce the prize for Gnosis Chain bounty. So the top one will go to Safe Bank, and the second prize will go to Quick Ravens, and the third prize will go to Nimbus.
Congratulations, Nimbus, Quick Raven, and Safe Bank, winner of Gnosis Chain track. invite representative from Nimbus and Quick Raven to the stage. Congratulations! Once again, congratulations, Nimbus, Quick Raven, and SafeBank for Gnosis Chain track. Thank you very much.
Okay, coming up to the last bounty, we have Reneg Chain. Can I invite Harry from Reneg Foundation to come forward and announce the result of this track?
Hello everyone. I'm Harry from Reneg Foundations, and I would like to announce the prize for. We decided to let's say to come forward with only one prize. The second one is called Tune-in prize, and the project's name is Renex. Please come forward to the stage and yeah, let people see you.
Congratulations! Renex second prize of Renex Blockchain. Let's take a photo for this moment. Once again, congratulations. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for all of our sponsors again for the bounties. So now we are going to come to the prospect builders. We got to come to the prospect builder. Yeah. So I mean, this is a special prize category for the new builders, the students who have just been familiarized with Web3. So we would like to congratulate Music NFT Streaming App for this prize.
But we would like to invite to the stage Erika Kang, founder of KryptoSeoul, and Nico Nguyen, co-founder of BUIDL Vietnam, APAC DAO to the stage and award the Prospects Prize to the team. Congratulations! NFT Music Games app. Congratulations! Thank you very much.
So we're coming to the next category for mass adoption enablers. Yes. So we have the grand prize here as Arcana. If you are in the house, come and join, share this moment with us. But if not, we're going to do this virtually. And also send you an NFT afterwards for this moment for Arcana team. So thank you so much for joining us and, dedicating 1 week for the hackathon with Arcana. So this is one of our categories, and now we're going to come to the grand prize of the hackathon. So we have 3 main tracks for the hackathon, and we're going to have the overall prize as well for the contest. And we would like to invite Maverick as the runner-up and SafeBank again as the grand prize of our BUIDL Vietnam Hackathon for their splendid performance and the tremendous effort for this 1 week hackathon. You guys want to come on stage again? I know that it's been tiring for you to...
Congratulations, Maverick and SafeBank. the grand prize winner is now on the stage. Once again, congratulations SafeBank, and now welcome to the stage Erika Kang, founder of KryptoSeoul, and Nico Nguyen, co-founder of Crypto Vietnam and APAC, down to the stage and award a grand prize to SafeBank. Congratulations! Thank you very much. So ladies and gentlemen, the award ceremony has wrapped up all the activities of BUIDL Vietnam 2023. On behalf of the organizer, we would like to say thank you very much for being with BUIDL Vietnam, and we hope to see you next year. Thank you so much.